Repressed emotions are silently wreaking havoc on your body. Imagine experiencing chronic pain, constant fatigue, or frequent illnesses without understanding why. The truth is, unresolved emotions can manifest as serious physical health issues, and this isn't just speculation, it's backed by science. Have you ever felt an inexplicable weight on your chest, a nagging pain in your back, or a relentless headache that no medicine seems to cure? These might be signs that your body is crying out for emotional release. In this video, we'll provide you with practical steps to address and release these hidden emotions. Stay tuned to discover how you can transform your health by healing your emotional wounds. Connection between emotions and chronic pain. Repressed emotions can significantly contribute to chronic pain. Extensive research supports this concept, showing that our brains process emotional and physical pain through the same neurological pathways. This means unresolved emotional trauma can manifest as physical discomfort. A pivotal study published in the Journal of Pain Research found that individuals with chronic pain often have a history of emotional trauma. This is because the brain's emotional and pain centers are closely linked. When emotions like anger, sadness, or fear are suppressed, they don't disappear, they get stored in the body and can lead to chronic pain conditions such as fibromyalgia, back pain, and migraines. Consider the case of a woman who suffered from severe back pain for years. Traditional treatments provided no relief. It wasn't until she worked through her unresolved grief from a significant loss that her pain started to subside. This illustrates how emotional healing can lead to physical relief. The science of psychoneuroimmunology. The connection between repressed emotions and physical health is strongly supported by the field of psychoneuroimmunology, which studies the interaction between psychological processes, the nervous system, and the immune system. Repressed emotions, particularly negative ones such as anger, fear, and sadness, can have a profound impact on your immune system, making you more susceptible to illnesses. When you experience stress or suppress your emotions, your body releases cortisol and other stress hormones. While these hormones are beneficial in short bursts, chronic stress and prolonged exposure to high levels of cortisol can weaken your immune system. According to a study published in the journal Psychosomatic Medicine, chronic stress is linked to a decrease in the body's ability to fight off infections and can lead to a variety of health issues, including cardiovascular diseases and autoimmune disorders. Furthermore, repressed emotions can lead to hormonal imbalances. Chronic stress and unresolved emotions can elevate cortisol levels, which not only suppress the immune system but also disrupt other hormonal functions in the body. This disruption can contribute to conditions like insomnia, weight gain, and even depression. A striking example of the impact of emotional suppression on health is stress-related illnesses. People who do not express their emotions are more likely to suffer from illnesses such as ulcers, hypertension, and heart disease. Dr. Gabor Mate, a renowned physician and author, highlights how emotional stress can directly affect the body's organs and systems, leading to chronic illness. Repressed emotions and specific diseases. Repressed emotions don't just affect your mind, they can lead to serious physical health problems. The link between emotional repression and specific diseases has been well documented in scientific research, highlighting how our emotional state can significantly impact our physical health. Autoimmune disorders. Repressed emotions have been shown to trigger and exacerbate autoimmune disorders. When emotions such as anger, grief, or fear are not expressed, they can cause chronic stress, which in turn disrupts the immune system. This disruption can lead to the body mistakenly attacking its own tissues, a hallmark of autoimmune diseases. A study published in Frontiers in Immunology revealed that chronic stress and emotional suppression can lead to increased inflammation, a key factor in autoimmune conditions like rheumatoid arthritis and lupus. Cardiovascular health. Emotional repression is also linked to cardiovascular problems. The stress of unexpressed emotions increases the risk of heart disease, hypertension, and stroke. Research from the Journal of the American College of Cardiology indicates that individuals who regularly suppress their emotions have a higher incidence of heart-related issues. This is because the constant stress can lead to elevated blood pressure and other cardiovascular risk factors. Cancer. Although more research is needed, some studies suggest a potential link between emotional repression and cancer. The chronic stress resulting from repressed emotions can weaken the immune system, reducing its ability to fight off cancerous cells. According to a study in The Lancet Oncology, patients who managed their stress and emotional health had better outcomes in cancer treatment compared to those who did not address their emotional well-being. Genetic and epigenetic factors. The impact of repressed emotions extends beyond immediate physical health, potentially altering gene expression through mechanisms studied in the field of epigenetics. This area of research explores how behaviors and environment can cause changes that affect the way genes work. Epigenetics of emotion. Epigenetics involves changes in gene activity that do not alter the DNA sequence but still get passed to at least one successive generation. Emotional repression and chronic stress can lead to epigenetic modifications, such as DNA methylation and histone modification. These changes can silence or activate certain genes, affecting everything from immune response to psychological resilience. For instance, a study published in Nature Neuroscience found that stress can lead to changes in the epigenetic regulation of genes related to inflammation and immune function, potentially leading to chronic illnesses. Intergenerational trauma. The concept of intergenerational trauma suggests that the effects of trauma and emotional repression can be passed down from one generation to the next. This is seen in studies of populations with high levels of historical trauma, such as Holocaust survivors and their descendants, where altered stress responses and increased vulnerability to PTSD have been observed. Research from the American Journal of Psychiatry highlights how the epigenetic markers of stress can be transmitted across generations, affecting the mental and physical health of offspring. Practical steps to address repressed emotions. Taking action to address and release repressed emotions is essential for improving both mental and physical health. Here are some practical steps you can take. 1. Expressive arts. Engage in creative activities such as painting, writing, or music. These activities can help you process and express emotions that might otherwise remain buried. These activities provide a safe and constructive outlet for emotional expression. 2. Therapy and counseling. Seeking professional help from a therapist or counselor can provide a safe space to explore and release repressed emotions. Cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, and somatic experiencing are particularly effective techniques. 3. Mindfulness and meditation. Regular mindfulness practice can help you become more aware of your emotions and reduce the tendency to repress them. Meditation can also reduce stress hormones and improve overall emotional regulation. 4. Healthy lifestyle choices. Regular physical activity, a balanced diet, and adequate sleep can also influence gene expression positively, helping mitigate the effects of emotional repression. 5. Journaling. Writing about your thoughts and feelings can be a therapeutic way to process emotions. Journaling allows you to explore and articulate deep-seated feelings, helping to bring them to the surface. In this video, we've explored how repressed emotions can impact your physical health, from contributing to chronic pain and weakening the immune system to altering gene expression and leading to serious diseases. Start applying the practical steps discussed today. Engage in expressive arts, seek therapy, practice mindfulness, exercise regularly, and keep a journal. By taking these actions, you can transform your health and break the cycle of emotional repression. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for daring to know. Stay motivated and take care.